Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I got all my Amazon packages and I'm going to unpack my drone. It's a DJI Avata with some accessories. They all came today, and I will just make a video how I unpack everything without comments. I just let you join me. Enjoy. So first is the First we have the carrying case. I'll put the link in the description below, where all the parts, all the accessories I ordered will fit in. As you can see, the shape for the glasses, for the drone itself, everything is pre-cut, and we will take out what we need to take out. So let's see. Well, that's actually for the GoPro, a new battery pack. This is a spare battery for the Avata. And that goes in the box in one of these openings, like this. This might be the memory cards. Yes, one 128GB and one 56. Then this should be the Fly More kit. Where you have two other spare batteries. And the serial charger, which you connect with USB-C, and you can charge 4 of these batteries at the same time, like this. Even here 4 is already an opening for the charger, and of course more batteries. So this is an extra frame to hold the battery in place in case of a crash, because it can happen that the battery comes out during a crash. And this one has some extra prop guards, which are not as soft as they advertised it. They're supposed to be rubber, but yeah, we will test it. Then a new set of propellers. This one is not original DJI. These are colored ones, third party. I bought orange and blue, as these are the colors of my channel. So we have 4 blue ones and 4 orange ones just to customize my drone, and a screwdriver and the set street. The orange is completely off from the color they advertised. It's supposed to be more like my channel's orange, but yeah, it happens. So this is the last package. This should be the actual drone now. Yes. It consists of 2 packages because this is the Pro View pack. Means it has the goggles 2 and the motion controller 1. So let's see, this package was already opened. There are the USB cables, new propellers, new screws and the tool for it. The actual drone with a battery installed already. And as you see, the battery comes out by just disconnecting here and pulling it out. And that's what can happen when you drop the drone, that it actually disconnects, especially when it falls like this. And that's why I bought the extra guard. The guard will mount here on the existing screws here, like this, and then it holds the battery like this. So, like this. Then let's see the goggles. Here's the motion controller 1. That's the one without the joystick. I was actually hoping I get the one with. I actually wanted to get the one with the joystick, and I made a mistake when I ordered it, because when you have the joystick, you can actually fly vertically up and down, which you cannot do with this controller. With this controller, you can only tilt up and down and then accelerate. So you can tilt the drone like this, accelerate in this direction or down, but you can actually not fly up and down straight. There's the charger, then the battery for the headset, which is almost fully charged, and here are the goggles. These are the goggles too. Arguably the best goggles DJI has at the moment, but a lot of people complain because it's too tight here at the nose. I can't say anything yet, I didn't try it, this is the first time that I unpack it. This is the wire for the glasses or for the goggles, it goes here, and then here connected, and you can switch the goggles on and off like this. This battery is charged by USB-C straight, while for this battery, the flight battery, I can either use this charger for single battery or this one to charge all 4 at once. Be sure that you use a charger which has power delivery. You can charge with up to 45 watts here, and then charge all the battery at once. Here is even written 20 volts, 5 amps. So 20 volt, 5 amps would actually be 100 watts. I will try, I have a 100 watt charger here. I will see if it works. Here are additional lenses for the goggles. But on this goggle you can already adjust sight arrows, like dioptrine size and things like that. So that was the unpacking. one more thing missing. The controller is charged down here also as well with USB-C, as almost everything in the world is at the moment. Even this charger works with USB-C. Charging head or charging brick was not included in the pack. As I said, make sure you have your own so that you can go ahead and play. That was it for the unpacking, unboxing. I hope you like it, and I will make videos of the first test flight later.